How to dispute a charge with Truist Bank. Truist Financial Corporation is a major U.S. bank formed through the merger of BB&T and SunTrust banks. It offers a wide range of services, including personal and business banking, wealth management, insurance, and mortgages. To dispute a charge with Truist Bank, determine the specific charge you wish to dispute. Make sure you have all relevant details, including the transaction date, amount, and any supporting documentation. You can call to speak with a representative who can assist you. You can submit credit dispute web form that you can fill out online. If you prefer in-person assistance, visit your local Truist branch. That's it. Thanks for watching.